Hello, today in this video we will learn how to convert CSV to HTML table format. Here open VS Editor where I write one input and one div for table container. Here input type is file and input ID is CSV file and only accept the .csv format, and div ID is table container. After div we start skip tag open and close, and now first write document dot get element by ID, document dot get element by ID. Here pass single first open single quotation and pass input ID CSV file. Now write dot add event listener single quotation open, write change, comma, write function and pass event. Curly bracket open and close, not here, here. Now write const file equal to event dot target dot files, square bracket open and close and semicolon. Here pass or write 0. Write if statement, if not file then return semicolon. Now write const reader equal to new file reader, this one, semicolon. Now reader dot onload function, reader dot onload equal to function, write if, curly bracket open and close, write const lines equal to e dot target, not space here, target dot result dot split, first bracket open and close, forward slash n dot map line equal to line dot split, comma, last semicolon. Now write if statement, if lines dot length it will equal to 0, return now right let table HTML equal to semicolon. Table tag open and open t-head tag and open tr tag. Now lines square bracket open and close pass 0 dot for each right header equal to here h small table HTML and here caps HTML. Now plus equal to th tag open dollar curly bracket open and close header dot trim close and close the th semicolon. Now write table HTML. Copy this function table HTML plus equal to close tr t-head and t-body close tr t-head and t-body. Okay, only we close tr t-head and now start t-body tag. Semicolon. Now for let I equal to 1 I less than lines dot length. Copy this one pass here semicolon I plus plus curly bracket open and close. Write if lines curly bracket square bracket open plus I here dot length greater than 1 greater than 1. Now curly bracket open, copy this variable table HTML plus equal to write or open tr tag semicolon. Now lines, copy this one dot for each cell copy this one paste here open td dollar curly bracket open close cell dot trim first bracket open and close after curly bracket close the td and semicolon here. Now copy this one, close here and semicolon. Now write table HTML, this one, close body and table tag here, semicolon. Now write document dot get element by ID, here pass div ID, copy paste dot inner HTML equal to copy this variable, semicolon, and here one semicolon. Now reader dot read as text file, semicolon. Okay, here file small letter and here semicolon. Save. Control A, right click, format documentation. Save. Now go to web browser and reload the page. And here already I set up the .csv file where 3 column name, age and city, and here only 4 data. Now I upload this CSV file here. Now choose file, sample data and open. See, here we see Devjit, Usmita, Arijit and Preeti, same as Devjit, Usmita, Arijit and Preeti. And now I change here is the or add one name is Atin, 35 and Kolkata. Save this, reload, choose file, sample data and open. See, this way you convert CSV file into HTML table format. Thank you.